Hey, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to go and do something that we've never done. It is a 13,000 pound white oak log. It's not that it's the biggest in diameter that we've ever cut. It's just the heaviest we've ever cut. And the issue that we have is that our forklift is a 6,000 pound forklift, and this weighs 13,000 pounds. So we're going to have a little bit of an issue to get it in there. We're going to have to roll it. We're going to have to roll it all the way in because we're limited to what we have got. But we're going to do it. We're going to roll this all the way into the shop, up onto the sawmill. The thing about it is, this log is, when we dropped it, you can watch that video. It's where we're dropping that really big white oak. And when we dropped it, it cracked because it did have some rot in it. If you come over here and look, we've got rot in it, so we're not exactly sure what we're going to get out of it. We know we'll get a few good slabs, but it's just kind of too cool not to cut. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and roll this in. So we got it to this point. We just want to stop. Look at the size of this. Just so you can tell my height compared to this. That is just massive. Look how massive that is. That's insane. Bring it this way a little. This way now. Yeah, you come in further. Take it. I would feel more comfortable now pushing that end in. Now we just gotta watch that jug. That's important. Safe. Jugs aren't cheap.
Oh, as we watch Leroy Miller, he's coming up with an idea. Let's see if it works.
This is my nervous point because to the left over here we have our vacuum kiln, and that's the last thing I want to hit. Makes me really nervous. You good? All right, she is on the Sawmill. Man, that was awesome. I don't think we could have had it go any better than we did. That chain that we hooked up really saved it because we had some blocks set up in the back to keep it from going back. But man, we're double checking. Anyway, we're gonna start cutting on this. I see it's huge, it's massive. We don't know what we're gonna find inside, but we're gonna start cutting on it anyway. Should be awesome. So that was the first cut. I knew in the top half of this log that we were going to have rot like we have over here. But the bottom half of this is just, that looks awesome. Hope you can appreciate this. I'm standing on a ladder just to get this shot. So that's how big she is. But that's pretty cool. So this slab right here, and we're cutting everything at 4.5 inches. This slab right here, it's got to be easily 600 pounds. Normally, what we do is we flip them over so we can get that sawdust off the bottom side. And Dad and I could not budget even with the cant hooks. So we had to stick something underneath there and make so that we could get a little more leverage on it. But that's just how heavy these things are. It's incredible. I want you all to see this. I stuck these wedges right in here and perfectly balanced this slab. Thank you very much. you're looking at this, we knew that we were going to run into a whole bunch of rot. That's what we could tell from the top here of the log. These slabs that we just took off, we're going to have a good bit of rot in them. But I think after we get past that and we get down into here, we might find some good boards. So I think that's where we're going to call it quits for tonight. But if you come over here, you check this out. This slab didn't turn out too bad. And we've got quite a bit of rot over here in this part. But all in all, for a 200 and some year old log, it was pretty good. Like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, we'll see everybody later.